Today guys, I'm going to tell you how to draw a car. What you have to do, draw wheels, nicely spaced out, up, around, across here for the roof, up and around, across here for the roof. Use paintbrush about any mistakes you make, back around. Okay, windows, door, more windows, exhaust, lights, another light, indicators, change colour to grey, grey wheels, because all cars have grey wheels. Get the paint can out, yellow lights, body red, back wheel right now, blue windows because all windows on the car are blue. Enjoy this video, like and subscribe, let's see if we get 3 likes, and peace.